Every artist has a moment where learning meets clarity, where the craft feels new again. For me, even after 20 years in this industry, that moment still excites me. And that's why the VC Open House now exists. This is not a class, not a workshop. It's a space to reset, to rethink, to unlearn, and grow as an artist. And the special part about open house is artists from around the world come here. Their craft, success, and mistakes they have done during the journey. This is so exciting to learn from the successful minds, which means you get direct access to top talent right here in India at VC Academy. No filters, no rush, no limits. Welcome to the VC Open House at VC Academy in Mumbai.